Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
NBC plans to shut down NBC Sports Network by the end of this year and will shift its biggest programming, including NHL, NASCAR and the Premier League, to USA Network and the streaming service Peacock. Nbcsn was launched in 1995 as the Outdoor Life Network and was known as Versus from 2006 to 11.
Take our lead.
NBC bids to bolster USA Network and Peacock programming. U.S. media giant NBC Universal is shutting down NBC Sports Network, Nbcsn, by the end of 2021 and will shift the bulk of its sports programming to the USA Network cable channel and Peacock streaming service.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Watch Premier League live streams. NBC Sports and Peacock will be streaming Premier League matches this season. Take a look at the schedule to find the fixtures times and stream links and check back for results, highlights and standings.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.